Hey there, welcome to my comic art masterclass of The Crimson Cat. Creating a full comic book illustration is extremely difficult because it relies so heavily on a clear understanding of your process, which many artists don't fully develop even after they've learned the fundamentals. So, if you want to consistently create stunning comic art that earns the respect of your peers and impresses your fans, I'm going to share my very own process with you in this class and show you exactly how to execute it. For years, I've taught hundreds, if not thousands, of students the same digital workflow you're about to learn here. No matter what illustration you're working on, you'll be able to rely on this process over and over again, regardless of its complexity. It's simple, easy to follow, and will give you consistent results in your work. We'll start at the very beginning with a basic rough sketch to get our idea down onto the page. From there, we'll ink in the outline, drop in the shadows, and render the materials and textures using various cross-hatching and detailing techniques. Finally, we'll add mood and drama to the illustration with a dash of color, adding in shadows and highlights to create a whole new level of depth and dimension to our comic art. It goes without saying that it takes a ton of time, practice, and dedication to master any skill, but having a go-to process you can depend on is half the battle. So after taking this class and learning the workflow we'll be covering, you should see significant improvements within your work and feel much more confident tackling a comic book illustration of any size and complexity. I really enjoyed creating the illustration I'm demonstrating throughout this class, and I can't wait to take you through the entire process step by step. So buckle up, grab your stylus, and let's get straight into it.